Hello everyone, this is an unboxing and review of the 2026 Dell XPS 13-inch laptop. This computer is meant to be Dell's response to the Apple Macbook Neo. Its pricing starts at $700, the same as the Neo. Several other companies planned to respond to the MacBook Neo, but Dell was first to market. Here you can see the black box that the laptop ships in. The packaging is certainly more classy compared to other companies like Lenovo that don't even try, but it doesn't match the style or quality of Apple. In the box you will find just 4 items of note. There is the laptop itself in a sleeve. There is a piece of paper. Finally, there are the power adapter and the power cable. The power adapter is quite small and portable. Here are my impressions in case you are considering the 2026 XPS 13. Let's start with the positives. The aluminum chassis looks and feels premium, like a MacBook. The processor is an Intel Wildcat Lake Core 5 320 processor, which is not very fast but is energy efficient. Its Geekbench scores are fine, but the single-core score is certainly lower than that of the Neo. Note, Wildcat Lake has single-channel RAM, which cuts AI performance in half. The XPS's keyboard is shallow, meaning the keys bottom out easily. But it is okay for portable use. At home it is always healthier to use a mechanical keyboard with linear switches. Laptop keyboards are cheap like flip-flops, not running shoes. The screen is excellent. It is more readable in my opinion than the screens of the Apple MacBook Air, which can cause eye strain for some people. Now let's consider the negatives. The trackpad on my unit was terrible. It made a distracting click sound whenever I lightly rested a finger on it. Then, when I tried to tap on it, like one does with a MacBook, it felt physically unstable. Perhaps I just got a defective touchpad, or maybe it was not installed properly. Another negative is the port selection, which is not just meager, it's impoverishing. There are 2 USB-C ports. That's it. There is no headphone jack. Whoever designed this laptop was under the incorrect impression that people are eager to switch to Bluetooth peripherals. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate this laptop a 6, due to the horrible touchpad. Listen, the touchpad is the primary input device half of the time. It has to be good or it will distract you from your work. That's the review. I ultimately returned my XPS 13 because of the touchpad. If someday Dell can put a haptic trackpad and a headphone jack in this laptop, I will reconsider it. I hope this helps. Like and subscribe.